Welcome back to the Shipper Log episode, and I'm here with a new Envio version 2.28. This is big. Like, maybe not big for you, but this is big for Envio and for the next features. And what it allows you to actually build the exactly same page, just using the data HyperIndex now expose you officially. And also there is a huge list of other changes. So you can go to the GitHub releases and read the whole release log. So this is an official meta query. We'll take a look at it a little bit later. And also like twice faster historical sync using RPC. Like this is true. Cheaper historical sync is HyperSync, much faster indexing when you're indexing more than 500,000 addresses. Yes, I didn't misspoke. Some improvements for subgraph migration and cursor rules, and just simple other improvements for the indexing performance, which are nice. And let's talk a little bit more about this meta query. This is an official way to get the information about the indexing progress. Previously, you could do it in a hacky way by reading data from internal tables, which we didn't really want to expose, but we did. Now we don't expose them. So if you use something like event sync state, registered state, and the block range data, dynamic contracts, chain metadata, please don't use them. And there is a meta query for this, which won't break until like we'll follow sender, and we do. And I think they're doing a great job by getting to the 2.28 version. So what is the query and how it looks like? And instead of looking at screenshot, let's go to Hasura and password is testing. Please don't tell anyone. Okay, I'm in the Hasura console, and I mostly need it as a GraphQL playground, so nothing isn't here. And now when you query HyperIndex, you can call this underscore meta and select all the fields you need, and let's do this. And as a response, we received an array of metadata per chain. They are ordered by chain ID, so they're always in the same order. This is nice, and you can get a lot of this data. And how can it be useful? For example, this progress block number, it means that this block number and events for this block number were all correctly processed. All entities which needs to be created at this block number were written to the database, and you can safely query data for this block number and earlier. Also, you can take a look at the number of processed events, the buffer block, first event, quite many useful information here. And also you can check whether your indexer is ready for querying. This is ready means that the indexer finished historical sync and now it's in real time. So when it's true, you can safely starting like calling this or promote it to production. So it's quite useful information. And as I said in the beginning of the video, it can easily allow you to build this sort of dashboard. This is nice.